hmm Yeah, I mean, well, first, one thing you said that's really important is that one thing we know about the brain is that what's good for the heart is good for the brain. So, in terms of a behavior change standpoint, it's a great thing to keep in mind that if you're keeping your heart healthy, that is going to be pay off for your brain as you get older. Um, One reason is because one of the things that happens as we get older is the vessels in our brain might get a little stiffer and can't deliver the blood that we need, and physical activity has been shown to sort of maintain that blood flow in the brain in areas that really need it. And so that is one way that I was, sort of think how exercise can benefit the ability of the brain to keep functioning. Um, Other things though that are less intuitive, I think, are that the idea that physical activity can increase what we call neurotrophic factors that can happen in our blood flow, but also directly they're sort of proteins in the brain that help the neurons in our brain function. So it helps, if we think of the neurons in our brain as sort of plants that have deep roots and bodies that can grow or shrink based on the environment. These neurotrophic factors, like brain derived neurotrophic factor, are like fertilizer. Like they help the plants grow and they help maintain function or growth even in harsh environments. And lots of studies from animal studies, animal models, and humans have shown that exercise can increase neurotrophic factors, particularly in animals. We can see that actually physically in the brain, especially in areas important for memory, which like the hippocampus. Um, so that's been one piece of evidence I think that's really encouraging, because if we can see a direct effect on the ability of our brain cells to grow and function and connect with themselves to maintain memory, we can kind of see a direct effect of how physical activity could benefit the brain cells themselves. Yeah.